card could ever look like that one. So watch. If I take that ace of diamonds and I put it into the deck of cards and move it around and shuffle it around and cut it up and shuffle it again and move them all around, your card's in here somewhere, okay? Now, your card should be right around the middle. So what I'll do is I'll cut it out of the middle and then back to the top. So when I show you the card you signed, listen, finding your card, that's not the trick, but that is what you signed, right? Watch, if I take that ace and turn it over and set it in your hand, put your other hand on top so it doesn't fall. Now, is this the card that you signed right here? No. What card? That's a 6 of hearts, right? Yeah. That's not the one you signed. So watch this. If I take that 6 of hearts, I'm going to try and do this fast. If I can take that 6, I'm going to try and get it in his hand. Let's see if I can do it. Here's the thing. Watch that. Everybody say 6 of hearts.
6 of hearts.
If I take that 6 of hearts and just try and reach, and now I got the sign card right there. Look in your hand and see what. Yeah. Now here's we're not done yet though, because look it. You just signed right there. Now I don't want to rip the card. That'd be mean if I just ripped the card. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pen and I'm going to put it right through the diamond, right through the middle of the diamond.
Watch.
So here we go. If I take the pen, do you want me to do it on this side or this side? Which one? The other side right here? Okay, so I'm going to take the pen and put it right through. See how it goes right through the diamond? Here's the thing. I want to pull the pen out, but I will never. This is your card. I'm going to go right through your name, but I will never rip it. There you go. There's the card. There's the pen.
Find the hole. Find the hole.
Check it out. It's all good.
Yeah, right?
Okay, but we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Okay? So here we go. All right, let me see that ace of diamonds. We got more work to do with this ace of diamonds. Now think about this. If the whole deck was filled with ace of diamonds, it wouldn't look like this. It's got both our names on it. So here we go. Check this out. If I take that ace of diamonds, I'm going to cut it in the middle and then back to the top. Now when I ask you to cut whatever you think is half, it doesn't have to be perfectly half. But watch this. There's your ace right there, okay? You see your name? Yep. I'm going to take it, and what I want to do, as slowly as I can do this, I'm going to take that ace and turn it over. Lift up half the deck. Go ahead. Perfect. That's good. Now watch. Put that half back on top. If I take the deck and shake it, your card's going to jump right back. Now I'm going to do it again. Watch. Here we go. This time I'm only going to use half the deck. So if I show you that ace right there, I'm going to let you see it so our names are right there. Watch that ace of diamonds. If I take it and turn it over and push it out, I'll put cards on top of it. So that way when that ace of diamonds goes into the middle, I snap, boom, and it jumps to the top of the deck. This is the top of the bottom half though. Listen, that's the real top. Turn that top card over. That's the real top. I got one more for you. Here we go, watch this. Watch this. Remember, you only signed one card, right? Here we go, keep your eye right on it. If I take it and turn it over and push it out, still see it? Watch, push that ace all the way in. That way, when I turn it over, like this, I'll put it right here. You can look at it if you want, but it's still got to get pushed all the way in. Do that now. It's in there good. Now remember, you wrote your name on it, right? Look at me. Hanging right here.
Oh, jeez!
That's your card.
Okay. Yeah, just jump in. Thank you. 225.
All right, now, here we go.
All right, but Gail,